and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to be doing an acrylic nail tutorial for y'all. These are going to be some fun Chanel inspired Christmas winter nails. We are going to be doing a plaid nail design and I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So today I'm using, for the first time, my Nailed by Lucy acrylic brush. I really liked it. This was a size 12 and yeah, I'm really enjoying this brush. So the first thing that I did, this is an infill, so I'm going to show you guys how I infill my nails. First thing that I did is I used a coarse safety bit and I filed off the color of my previous nail set, and then I just file down to that clear base. That's why I always like to apply a clear base on the nails. So I did that, and then I pushed back the cuticles and I used a fine sanding band with my e-file to just take off the natural shine on any nail that was exposed, any new growth. And I dehydrated my nails with isopropyl alcohol and acetone. And then I went in with the NSI primer. That is a HEMA-free primer. I know a lot of people like young nails, but it does have HEMA in it, which causes a lot of allergies. So if you're looking for a more allergy-friendly primer, NSI is great. I usually don't get too much lifting with it, and I really love it. So today I'm going in with some double dip nail acrylic colors. I do have a discount code. It is the doubledipstore.com. This is a beautiful green color and it is called Grinch Day. And I wanted to keep this clip in. You guys saw I was tapping the back of the brush with a pearl on it to make sure it is completely shiny. That's when you want to apply it to your nail. And it was so ready to apply on the nail, like so plump. The bead was really good that it just popped off the brush. And you guys can see it still works. I picked it up right from where it dropped and applied it back on the nail. So still good. Sometimes that happens, and because I'm using odorless monomer, it's a slower set. So it's still perfectly easily pliable and worked great on the nail. I am using Kupa odorless. I really like this odorless monomer. From all the reviews I've seen, I hear it is the best one and the fastest drying. Like by the time I'm finished applying one hand, it usually takes me somewhere about 15 minutes to apply, completely encapsulating one hand. It is dry. So it is a little bit on the pricier end though, but I mean for a monomer that's good and doesn't smell and works really well, I am okay with spending that. But I would love to know if you guys have tried other brands of odorless monomer. I do have some of the Susie's odorless monomer. I find hers a little bit more difficult to work with, but nothing bad. I just think it sets a little bit slower than this one. But again, you guys know my trick with adding in the acetone, so that always helps. Let me know if you guys have tried some other brands. I was looking into Nail Supply Glamour's odorless, but I mean, if this one is the best, I'm just debating if I want it. They have 30% off now. But I do have like an 80% full bottle from them, so I don't know if I want to buy another one with a 30% off sale or just bite the bullet when I run out of this one. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I did I don't know if it's just me, but when I was finished filing these nails, I used I do have an unboxing coming up in a review. I bought the Melody Susie Dust Collector, and I also got the medium 5-in-1 bit for finish filing my nails, and I used it and I didn't really like it. I found it skipped a lot, and yeah, I wasn't really, the biggest fan of it. I do have a Pana 5-in-1 bit that I have had for probably 6 or 7 months, and I mean, it's still going pretty good. I really like that one, but I just wanted something a little bit coarser. I thought that it would cut down on my filing time using the medium, but I don't know, it was just skipping and I didn't really like it. So I ended up using some ceramic medium bits that I had for finish filing. But let me know if you guys have used the Melody Susie drill bits before. I would love to know your opinion on that. I did get the it's TDI Nail Designs, where I got my flex brush from. I did get a drill bit from them, and it was really, really, really good. It's a coarse 5-in-1 drill bit, and I really, really love that one. So it doesn't skip. It works beautifully. So if you guys are looking for a drill bit, and it was pretty affordable too. So back to what I'm doing, you guys. On the ring finger, I went in with Secret Nail Affair, a new powder that I got from them, and I did do a haul on that if you guys are interested. It was too orangey. Sorry, my dogs are playing in the background. It was too orangey for my taste for this Christmas wintry nail set. So I ended up going in with a double dip color. The color is Red Velvet. Hang on, guys, stop. So I went in with Red Velvet on top of that Secret Nail Affair color because it was just too orangey for me. And then on the middle finger, I used Champagne. It is a really pretty champagne fine glitter from Double Dip as well. Again, the Double Dip powders are super, super versatile. DoubleDipStore.com. And I do have Glam Nails 20 gets you 20% off. I'll leave the code down below. But their powders are really, really affordable, and I find they work really great. I mean, they always work perfectly with my odorless, with my regular monomer. Really, really great. So I did add some glitters right on top of the Red Velvet, the red, and the middle finger into the wet acrylic. I found that was really, really beautiful effect. So you can add chunky glitters right on top of the base. I always like to put like a base color of the fine chunky glitter that I want to use, and then I take my brush and I add the glitters into that layer of wet acrylic. It works really, really great. So here I am using my Faux Kolinsky brush. This is a size 20, and I am encapsulating my nails. I really, really like this brush. This is a Faux Kolinsky, but I really, really like it. I enjoy working with it. It is a size 20, and I like to use a bigger brush when encapsulating, but boy, you guys, I mean, I feel like my color application is like getting really, really good, but like when I encapsulate, I feel like it takes away from the shape, and then I have to spend tons of time filing, and I hate filing. I hate filing. So I always try to do anything I can to avoid that. So like I'm going to try to mimic the application always that I'm doing on my first finger. That one was the easiest for me to file, and I think it kept the shape really, really well. But yeah, I hate filing, and I have trouble encapsulating. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys do too. Yeah, so the acrylic that I'm using is Young Nails Speed Clear. Still using the Kupa odorless monomer, and I was super proud of myself. You guys see how clear my monomer still is after using all those super, super pigmented acrylics. So I was really proud of myself. But I love the way that these wintry nails are turning out. We are going to be doing some plaid design on the first finger. I'm going to show you guys how to do plaid nail art. And then I apply tons of Chanel logo stickers for the Chanel inspired winter Christmas nails. I loved it up. So I'm looking at them right now, and I'm like totally obsessed with this. I am not like a huge designer nail fan, but there's something about Chanel that is just so classic, and I just adore any Chanel nail art. I think it's super, super classy, and it's bougie, classy, but still extra, and I love it. So I did not manage to get much in camera, but these Chanel stickers I got from AliExpress. I did them in a recent haul I showed you guys, and I just applied these stickers over the filed nails. I had some snowflakes here on the ring finger, and here I'm showing you guys how I do the plaid nail art. Now we all know that I'm super shaky, so this is really difficult for me, but I'm so glad with the way that these actually turned out. I'm using the Vanillisa gel paint. I find the white a little bit thick, but I kind of like that because I was going for a kind of raised. I wanted the white to be kind of raised, like a 3D kind of plaid nail. So I like that effect when it's kind of like a thicker gel. You kind of get like that plaid nail kind of raised, and I really like it. So I'm applying a thicker straight line down the nail. And then this liner brush here I got from, it's in a set that I got from American Nails. So I am just applying a thicker line in the middle and then the thicker line down the sides. And then I am going to go in with red along the sides and then gold right on top. I really love the way that the white was raised. I think it adds so much dimension to the nail, to the plaid nail, and it's super wintry and Christmassy, and I love plaid nails. I think they're so much fun to do. So I am doing this, and of course I did cure in between each layer in the LED UV lamp. I cured these for a minute just to make sure everything was set. Yeah, so I did cure in between each layer. And then after this, I'm going to go in with the red. And you guys can see how the white is like raised. Excuse me. So I really did enjoy that effect. I think it adds so much to the plaid nail, a lot of dimension. And then, yeah, that is it for these nails, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Make sure to stay tuned till the end to see the final result. I absolutely love these. I mean, I was totally in love with the Chanel inspired nails and the plaid nail art and the whole nails. I love them. I hope you guys do too, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright guys, here are just a few clips of me applying some of these Chanel stickers to the nail. Super cute and girly. And yeah, I'm going to cure these. We are going to give them a big layer of top coat. This is an Amy Lee HEMA-free top coat. I've been loving this one lately. It's super shiny, so I highly recommend this. And yeah, stay tuned to the end to see how these really pretty Chanel inspired wintry Christmas plaid nail art nails turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this nails tutorial. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I do have a giveaway going on, so make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.